Hey woodcutters, Topsaw here. Another teacher, myself and our students decided to tackle a problem of catastrophic wildfires that threaten all of us. We realized the only way to solve this problem is if homeowners started making their homes more fire safe by removing brush. However, they need a clean, efficient way to get rid of that brush, and that led us down the path of designing and building the EcoBurn. This video is just going to walk you through that whole process of designing, building, manufacturing the EcoBurn. We started with sketches. These are some of our initial sketches for a tool to put into the fire to make the fire burn cleaner and burn easier, so there's really no smoke provided. We kind of went through a lot of different evolutions until we came up with a final product, tested it, then we did all of our CAD drawings. These drawings right here are the parts of our EcoBurn. And then once we had our CAD drawings all figured out, we started working with a manufacturer to figure out how to design for manufacturability. We came up with a great product, great system. And then we launched a Kickstarter campaign. And we had a bunch of wonderful supporters who wanted one of our tools, our patent pending tool, and they supported us. And this is a list of the spreadsheet of all of the supporters of our project. After we had all of our supporters together and the Kickstarter campaign was successful, we went to manufacturing. The first thing that happened in manufacturing was we used a laser cutter to cut out the top part of the box. And you can see it here, how it lays flat. And then this is all a quality metal manufacturing, all handmade in a really cool shop right here in our area in the foothills. And then there's the bottom piece and then the pipe. So there are three parts to this project, or three parts to this product. And then they get assembled at quality metal manufacturing. So once all of the parts were cut out, then the next step was assembling the parts. Three parts are all manufactured, then over to the brake to take the top hood part to bend it. This is all quality metal fabrication. They're doing a beautiful job here, really working with us and doing such high quality work. So again, that's the hood part on the EcoBurn. It was laser cut out, over 100 units laser cut, and then the bottom piece, and then all of the pipes. So then all of our parts are put together. And then from there, now the bending of the metal through a metal brake just to get them perfect. Setup of this is, pretty time consuming and pretty complicated, but operating the brake, you start to get in a rhythm and get it going, and it's a little bit easier. It's cool. These things are all handmade right here in the U.S., right in our own neighborhood. Just such a pleasure to work with quality metal fabrication. Then after these hoods were all bent to shape, then the bottom piece went in there and get pressed together, so the hem was on the bottom sheet. That hem got bent over the top of the hood, and then you can see them here, and then tack welded a little bit to hold that bottom sheet in place. So then once the whole head of the unit was all done, then it went over to welding, where they welded in the pipe into the hole inside the hood, and then they also tack welded around the head of the device as well. So you can see that happening here. A little bit of low quality video, sorry for that. I wasn't actually able to go in and video. The owner sent me these videos, so I really appreciate him doing that, but that's why the quality is not quite the same. And then there they are, all put together, organizing and shipping, starting to package them, palletize them, letting them cool. They came out absolutely beautifully. You can see them here with that bottom sheet, the top hood, and then the pipe welded in there. And then there's a whole pallet of them right before shipping. All right, here we are, big day at Colfax High, quality metal here, delivering our EcoBurns, the EcoBurns, looking absolutely beautiful. 36 per pallet. Got two pallets right here. We'll see if we get the mini skid steer on them. unload them, get them out to our supporters. Very exciting. Unloading them with a mini skid steer right here with a set of forks on it. I think they're probably about 10 pounds a piece, so the pallet's probably only about 400 pounds. I can't tell you what an absolutely incredible project this was. Students really generated the ideas. They really kind of ran this whole show. Mr. Kinsey and myself were really just there to support the students. It was a fantastic project, and actually seeing it go to market via Kickstarter is just really a testament to the community we live in and how supportive everybody is. So really great project. They're here, ready to go. Couple key safety features with them. Never use this tool without checking with your local fire district first. Secondly, you also only use it to start the fire. We put an additional little hole at the end of the pipe so you could use a steel rake to pull it out of the burn pile. And it's only used to get the burn pile started. Otherwise, that burn pile will heat up too much and end up melting the whole EcoBurn. But they're here, ready for you to come pick up. And want to just thank you all for your tremendous support. Absolutely beautiful. Look at those. Look at that. Beautiful welds. EcoBurns. Got that additional hole at the end so you can pull it out with the steel rake. Just hook it in there and pull it out. There are 2 pallets right there. Patented product invented by high school students, marketed by high school students, manufactured and distributed all right here at the high school. Pretty exciting.